As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Bull Steer. What's the deal with these things?
All right, let's break it down. The Charbroil is like the ultimate portable grill. It's small, weighs only 20 pounds, and runs on those little propane tanks. Perfect for tailgating or camping.
Sounds convenient. What about the Bull Steer?
The Bull Steer is a whole different beast. It's a built-in natural gas grill. Definitely not portable. It's meant for outdoor kitchens.
Okay, so portability is a huge difference. What about cooking power?
The Charbroil has a single burner putting out 9,500 BTUs and a 200 square inch cooking surface. Good for a few burgers. The Bull Steer, on the other hand, has 3 burners cranking out 15,000 BTUs each, giving you a total of 45,000 BTUs. Its cooking surface is much larger at 564 square inches.
Wow, that's a big difference. So the Bull Steer is way more powerful.
Absolutely. Think about the size difference, too. The Charbroil is about 23 inches wide, while the Bull Steer is about 26 inches.
What about the materials?
The Charbroil has porcelain-coated steel grates and a die-cast firebox with an aluminum lid. The Bull Steer is all stainless steel, which is super durable.
Stainless steel sounds nicer, and that seems to be what the customers say. What about the price difference?
Big difference there, too. The Charbroil is around $150, and the Bull Steer is in the $1,300 range.
Okay, so the Charbroil is budget-friendly but small and portable. The Bull Steer is a powerful, built-in grill, but it costs a lot more.
Exactly. It all depends on what you need. If you're grilling on the go, the Charbroil is your pick. If you're building an outdoor kitchen and want serious power, the Bull Steer is the way to go.
Thanks. That helps a lot. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.